In front of me is Blackshark Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Then scroll again. This time select face unlock section over here in device unlock one and click on face unlock under screen lock. Now enter your login method. Choose enter the face. Select next, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit OK. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!